Hello and good morning. This is TradersClub24 and welcome to our daily market opening trade. Today, Monday, the 14th of May, and a beautiful sunny day here in Hamburg so far. It's currently 8:52, so we have 8 minutes to prepare ourselves for the market opening here in Germany, which happens every day at 9 a.m. in the morning. So we are currently looking at my MT4 Live account, and we see the MetaTrader 4, which is our platform of choice, and you see the yellowish box, which represents the first 52 minutes of trading. So we started with a small up gap, and our box in total so far, so the difference between the top price and the lowest price has been slightly less than 30 points. So let's switch to the M1 time frame, and we are going to place the box here into the chart by clicking on this button, box lines. So we do have the green pending order, the red sell order, and we are going to adjust these box lines slightly, and I'm going to select this top price over here. And
Schönen guten Morgen, willkommen zu CMC Espresso.
Okay, so these are our pending orders. Our risk is always 0.20, target 0.10%, and I'm going to click on slightly adjustment over here, and then we click on entry. So now the entry is on, and we do have 6 minutes time left on the clock for the market opening. So you can see very easy stuff, which is nicely and quickly done. You can use it not only with the market opening impulse, which of course has the best statistics overall, but you can use it 1 to 3 formation, head and shoulder, things like that. All technical traders should go for the Swiss box. All right. Let me get back to you in a couple of moments when the market opening actually happens. So 10 seconds to go for the market opening trade. And 9 a.m. Market has opened. Not much of a first impulse as of yet. So here's our sell entry line, our pending order, waiting to be triggered. And and we are now short in the market. Our blue line, the take profit, is slightly below the daily pivot. So 4 minutes, almost 5 minutes past 9, and finally there's some action here going on. We just had a new daily low. Looking to close the DAX, not the DAX, the gap, of course, sorry. But nonetheless, very quiet market so far. Okay. So the DAX currently trading at 13,002 points. So big number trade. And as always with these big numbers, there's some resistance over there. So still bouncing around that big number. 8 minutes past 9. Fifty minutes past 9, and we're trading at the new daily low. And yeah, to be honest, this looks more like a bank holiday trading, but not a regular working day. And just one more point. Come on. One more point to get us out of this trade, which would be number, and there we go. Congratulations, successive trade number 394. 394 days, trading days, and yeah, we are heading to the 400th trading day, which according to our calculation should happen on the 22nd of May. So next week, and we'll do that with some celebration, of course. So let's go down here to my account history and pull the trade here into the chart for you one more time. Our point of entry, our point of exit. There we go. Thanks very much for watching. You have a good week ahead, and speak to you tomorrow morning. Bye bye.